ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
You've clicked on the Weather Extreme video from ABC 3340. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters with you for this edition on Tuesday, August the 5th. Here's our Skycam network. Remember, ABC 3340 is the only one that can bring you this Skycam network. There's the Birmingham shot as the sun is rising on a clear sky, and clear skies over Jasper, as much of central and north Alabama is under clear skies. We're kind of squeezed between two weather systems. We have the storm system across the northern area, across the Ohio River Valley, and then we have Edouard down there on the upper Texas coast. Here's the water vapor imagery and the 500 millibar chart on there. You can see that the ridge is nosing in across the southeastern U.S. around the deep south. Temperatures across the nation are rather warm this morning. You have to go up into the northwestern United States and northern Rockies to get any temperatures of any cool nature, and just extremely hot in the southwest. But then again, it is August, it is summertime. Across central Alabama, temperatures generally in the lower and mid-70s, although at this hour, Birmingham 79. Now, everybody's interested in Edouard, and it's coming ashore, or came ashore, in the upper Texas coast, pretty close to the Louisiana-Texas border. And there is a look at Lake Charles radar, and there is a look at the Galveston radar. So the projections are it's going to continue on a course west-northwest, bringing a good deal of rain. QPF guys are looking at the possibility of 7 inches. I think because the storm is moving a little quicker, that I think we will expect to see more like 3 to 6 inches across that parts of Texas, especially the northern half. And they can use the rain. The southern half got drenched in Dolly. Here's the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for today, and of course slight risk along the Texas and Louisiana coast. And then a slight risk across the Ohio River Valley. And remember, yesterday, Chicago's Wrigley Field was evacuated due to a tornado warning. As that front sags down into the Ohio River Valley and nears the Tennessee River Valley, day 2's outlook shifts a little further south. And then by day 3, we're looking at over in the Carolinas. And of course, we may see some stronger storms on that day. 500 millibar pattern for today at midday, the 594 heat bubble nosing in across the area. But notice that by tomorrow, the development of that trough to our north begins to shrink that. And that means that we should see a front coming through the area, through the Ohio River Valley tomorrow. I think we'll still be dry in central Alabama, but we'll have to watch how close that gets and how rapidly it moves. The development continues on Thursday, and I think by Thursday we should see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and by Friday the trough is much stronger, and that should put the front down into our area. So I think right now our best shot at rain should come on Friday. Still a showery situation, so not all of us will get wet. With the development of that trough and the deepening of that trough, the front should push on through and get down around the Gulf Coast, and then by Sunday the front stays down in central Florida and in the northern Gulf. By Monday, that trough is still positioned over the eastern half of the country, and with it some little weak disturbances moving through the flow. That one of those could be producing this area of rain that you see in Arkansas. We'll have to watch the exact position of that. And then by a week from today, the trough begins to inch off the east coast, but with that we also see some disturbances moving through the flow, so we'll have to watch exactly where those are as we stay under a northwesterly flow. And going out a little bit further into time, this is the 16th of August, and the trough's still over the east coast. And by the 19th, we've got a very strong, vigorous trough moving through the general westerly flow, and that bringing a low-pressure area and another possibility for a front and maybe some cooler temperatures. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in to the Weather Extreme video. Should have the next one posted around 7:30 tomorrow morning. Have a great Tuesday, and God bless.